Welcome to Computer Thought channel. Topic: Fill, justify. Merge the data from multiple cells to one cell. The aim to use fill justify in Excel is to merge the data from multiple cells into a single cell. If you have any other idea to merge text into one cell, leave it. Fill justify is a better option. In this video, you will learn how to merge data from multiple cells into a single cell using fill justify. Merge text. You have text in column A in 5 rows, A1 to A5. Select all the cells in which text is stored, that is A1 to A5. Go to Edit menu, Fill, Justify. Selected data of multiple cells is converted into a single cell, A1 cell. Important points. Make sure that the column in which your text is captured is wide enough to store the entire text in a single cell. Only 255 characters can combine into a single cell. If you have more than 255 characters, the rest of the characters will not merge into the cell. Merge numbers. You have numbers in column A in 6 rows. Select all the cells in which numbers are stored, that is A1 to A6. Go to Edit menu, Fill, Justify. Get the message: cannot justify cells containing numbers or formulas. Important points. You can only merge the data which is in textual form. Numbers cannot merge into a single cell using fill justify. Shortcut key Alt E I J. Like, share, subscribe Computer Thought channel. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.